guys, I'll be able to get you a little bit of footage from one of my service calls today. So I got a gas furnace here. First time I'm just jumping it out here at the board. First time the burners did not light up, but the second time they did. So here comes number 3. Let's see what happens here. Flame sensor's okay because it's it's staying on, so igniter's good. Let's see what happens. We're in post purge right now. I'm just waiting for the inducer to come on. Old frigid air. It's just the wiring diagram. There's our model and serial, probably in the upper cabinet. Come on, baby.